Okay, now let's teach you how to change the 8/10. Same step. Take off the lens. But here a little different. You need remove this one pass. This pass. Here I have a screw. Then connect this lens. The operation, the use operation is the same with 5/10, 7/10, like this. And now, let me引紧一下。For this one a little heavy, and you can put this handy on the lens. Just relax this one, and mount on the lens of the ring, and just fix it here. It's okay. Then you can see like this. Okay, finish.